Hello, hello! Here we are once again. Yeah, today I am feeling much better. So, decided to come out in the morning. Yeah, last 2 days have been really low. Couldn't do much except sleeping. But today I am feeling much better. Not all well, but better to enjoy the Edinburgh a bit. So, let's enjoy it together. At the moment, we are on Royal Mile behind St. Giles Cathedral. Yeah, we are looking for some place to have our breakfast. Don't know yet where we're gonna do. Huh? यहाँ खाना है? Alright, let's give a go to St. Giles Cafe and Bar.
ये वाली जो यहाँ से चली जाती है ना वो अपने होटल के पास जाती है।
Yeah, that was the quick light breakfast at St. Giles Cafe. Okie dokie, so we are now on our way to St. Anthony's Chapel, which are the rooms. So we're gonna go there to have some better views of Edinburgh from a little height. So join me and enjoy the walk.
Where are we going? We booked at 2 o'clock.
Yeah, I don't think so. I am in a position to walk up to the Arthur's Seat this time, and it has just rained, so it will be quite slippery as well. So it doesn't make sense to go there. So I'm not gonna go there. God bless my white shoes. Alright. After walking down the Royal Mile, we have reached the Scottish Parliament, opposite to which is the Holyrood Palace. On the top, the peak you see is the not Saint Anthony. It is the Arthur's Seat. People have managed to go there despite the wet weather. Wow. ये देखो आए छोटे छोटे तालाब. देखा जो आपको बता रहा था तालाब आएंगे छोटे से. आ गए ना. तालाब से थोड़ा सा लेफ्ट ले लेना हमने.
तू पानी की बोतल लाया साथ में आज?
नहीं.
हैं? क्यों?
सब कुछ मैं ही करूँ.
हाँ.
हाँ बस घूमने निकले हो.
हाँ.
रोड डालने के लिए निकले हो कि यहाँ जाना वहाँ जाना.
हाँ. मैं रोला डालने के लिए निकली हूँ. पानी लेके तो निकला.
यहाँ मिलता 2 पाउंड का पानी.
बोले 2 का चाहे 4 का. मेरे को इससे कोई लेना देना नहीं है.
lovely, beautiful Edinburgh. Okie dokes. Now the time is to start our trek, and hopefully it will be nice to my shoes, to my white shoes. I'm not sure if you can see or not, but the ruins of St. Anthony's Chapel are just in the front. That's where we're gonna go. Look at the garden. यहाँ पे well है कोई. There is a well over here called St. Margaret's Well. Maybe we can visit on the way back. It has started raining and we don't have waterproofs. बारिश तेज आ गई. It has started raining and I can see it coming from the side. Wow. Welcome to Scotland. It seems to getting stopped. We should be very thankful, grateful of it. But yeah, it's a very nice day, it looks like. Love it. Yeah, from here you can see the Carlton Hill as well. It is the tower and the pillars over there. आ जाओ यार. Yeah, over there is the Arthur seat, but that's not where we are going. That's not where we are going. We're just gonna go up here. To the left behind this little mountain. Yeah, here it is. The broken wall you see. That's where we're gonna go. क्या हो गया? हमने यहाँ तक जाना बस.
यहाँ तक बस है कोई? कितनी दूर तो है? यही नहीं क्या बस? आजा. हाथ खाली चाहिए.
मेरे को लगा. उठा लिया.
तेरे बैग उसमें डाल देती पीछे.
Here it is. St. Anthony's Chapel. You get some nice views of Edinburgh also. And then there is a lake over here. People are feeding the swan steps. Some are sitting and relaxing. Overall, everything is peaceful, enjoyable. Alright, guys, so almost forgot to show you the St. Margaret's Well. Let's have a look how it looks like. It's just here on my right. Wow, it's all closed. The unique well, how it dates from the late 15th century. There is a pipe, there is water, there are coins inside. I'm sure it is a tree or what. Not really sure what it is. Yeah. That was it.